Hello kids, welcome to my drawing box. Today I will draw a ice cream truck. So let's start drawing. First I will draw the lines like this with the help of scale. Now I will draw two layers for the door. After that I will draw the big window. Then the two small windows. After that I will draw a big ice cream on top. After that I will draw a layer behind. After that I will draw two wheels of the truck. After that I will design the ice cream on top. My sketch is done. Now I will start painting. First I will paint the ice cream cream pink and light pink. After that I will paint the border of the ice cream brown. After that I will paint the ice cream with orange paint. After that I will paint the two sides of the stand black. After that I will paint the truck with brown paint. I will give the upper layer and the lower layer and the back layer. Then I will give black color to the truck wheels. This time I will give green color to the three windows. is complete, like and subscribe to my channel.